What is Forex? Forex, foreign exchange, also known as the foreign exchange market, is a global financial market where currencies are traded continuously. It is the largest market in the world, with an average daily trading volume exceeding 7.5 trillion USD as of 2024. Since 1971, when the gold standard was abandoned, Forex has grown exponentially, becoming the heartbeat of the global financial system. If you are looking for a potential flexible investment channel that operates without time or geographic constraints, Forex is definitely a worthy consideration. How does the Forex market work? Forex is a decentralized market, meaning it does not have a centralized exchange like stock markets. All transactions are conducted through a network of banks, financial institutions, and brokers. Investors buy and sell currency pairs. For example, trading the EUR-USD pair, Euro-US dollar, involves buying euros and selling US dollars to profit from fluctuations in exchange rates. Key features of Forex. 24/5. Operations. The market operates from Monday to Friday, spanning major trading sessions in Sydney, Tokyo, London, and New York. No matter your time zone, trading opportunities are always available. High liquidity. With the largest trading volume globally, Forex ensures that buying and selling currencies happens quickly without liquidity constraints. Two-way trading. You can profit whether the market rises or falls, as long as you correctly anticipate the trends and employ effective strategies. Financial leverage. Leverage allows investors to trade with a smaller capital outlay compared to the actual value of the trade. However, leverage also increases the risk of losses. Factors influencing the Forex market. Economic factors. Interest rates, GDP growth, and inflation are key determinants of currency exchange rates. Political factors. Central bank policies, political stability, or international conflicts can cause significant market volatility. Market sentiment. Economic news and investor forecasts often drive trading trends and cause price fluctuations. Participants in the Forex market. Central banks regulate the market and stabilize exchange rates through monetary policies. Commercial banks act as the primary providers of liquidity. Large investment funds engage in high-volume trading aimed at long-term profit. Retail investors. Although they account for only around 7% of the market, this segment is rapidly expanding thanks to advancements in technology and online trading platforms. Forms of Forex trading. Spot trading, the immediate purchase or sale of currencies at current exchange rates. Futures and options. Contracts predict and trade based on future exchange rates within a specified time frame. Margin trading allows investors to use borrowed capital to trade at a higher value than their initial investment. Opportunities and risks in Forex. Forex is not just an investment channel, it is an opportunity to move closer to financial freedom. However, like any other market, it carries high risks and requires thorough preparation. Opportunities. Flexible investments with small capital thanks to financial leverage. Easy participation anytime, anywhere. Potential to profit from both rising and falling markets. Risks. Leverage can lead to rapid losses if not properly managed. Emotional instability may cause investors to chase short-term trends, leading to poor decisions. Important notes. When starting Forex, choose a reliable broker. A trustworthy broker is crucial to ensuring safety and efficiency in trading. Equip yourself with knowledge and skills. Learn to analyze the market, build trading strategies, and manage risks effectively. Maintain emotional discipline. Patience, discipline, and continuous learning are the keys to long-term success. Take the first step. Start with a solid foundation of knowledge and a well-thought-out strategy. Success in Forex requires dedication, effort, and a willingness to learn. If you found this content helpful, like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights. Join us on this financial journey, and let's achieve success together.